God in silence. Thank God for everything that He has given you. Thank Him for your parents, your friends, your teachers. Thank Him for all the good health that He's provided you. Pray for all the sick children. Remember all those people who have members who are sick in their family. There are so many people who are not getting proper treatment. Remember them all. Ask God to bless them. Ask God to heal them and give them the strength and courage so that they are able to face all the problems that are coming their way. All of us, we are all in the same boat. Everybody is having problems. Pray to God that He may bless each one of us. He may be with us in all our troubles. He's always there. He knows each one of us. God has created us and God knows each one of us, children. So when we go to Him in prayer, when we ask Him for anything, He always listens to us. He always waits for us that we will come to Him and pray to Him and ask Him, and He will grant us our wishes. So now, join your hands. Let's say the Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Once again, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your classes. This is your social studies period. Yes? Give me a thumbs up. Social studies period. Okay. Do you have your books with you? Right. Now children, listen to one more thing very careful. एक बात और मैम की बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. अभी सबके पास प्रॉब्लम्स है, सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कोई ना कोई बीमार है. तो आप लोगों को मम्मी पापा को तंग नहीं करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू ट्रबल योर पेरेंट्स. मैम जब आपकी गुड मॉर्निंग. मैम जब आपकी क्लास लेती हैं, क्लासेस फिनिश हो जाती है, उसके बाद
मेरे
यस
पास मेरे पास सोशल स्टडीज की बुक नहीं है.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम रोनिक, यू कैन जस्ट सिट एंड हियर. ओके, लिसन केयरफुली.
मैं अपनी नन्ना के घर पे आया इसलिए भूल गया लाना.
ओके, ऑल
बाकी
राइट.
क्यों है?
All right, no problem. You can sit and hear. All right?
मम्मा की ओके मैम.
Okay. So, children, you don't need to trouble your parents. क्लास फिनिश होने के बाद मैम ने जो भी पढ़ाया है बैठकर अपने आप रीडिंग करा करिए. लेसन की रीडिंग अपने आप बैठ के करा करिए. अब आप बड़े हो गए ना, मैंने बताया ना. गुड मॉर्निंग. यस शुभ.
चैप्टर कौन सा है?
शुभ, विल यू प्लीज वेट? आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग. फर्स्ट यू लिसन टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
सॉरी मैम.
You will all sit down and do the reading of the lessons on your own. अपने आप बैठकर लेसन को रीड करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे. जब मम्मी का और पापा के पास टाइम होता है वो आपको पढ़ाएंगे, तो उनको परेशान मत कीजिएगा. Don't trouble your parents, children. This is a very crucial time. All the parents are disturbed also, I can understand. We are all having problems. So you also be strong children. Good children, and be with your parents and be happy. This too shall pass. Whatever is happening this time also will pass, and again the good times will come. Yes? Again the good times will come. Again all the problems will be solved. And once again we'll all be happily and safely in school. Yes? Do you believe that? Give me a thumbs up. डू यू बिलीव चिल्ड्रेन? आप विश्वास करते हैं ना, गॉड पे विश्वास करते हैं ना कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा जल्दी से और सब लोग अच्छे हो जाएंगे, हेल्दी हो जाएंगे और हम लोग वापस फिर से स्कूल आ जाएंगे. विल सिट इन आवर क्लास एंड स्टडी. यस? सो बी हैप्पी ऑल ऑफ यू. ऑल ऑफ यू स्माइल. लेट मी सी योर स्माइलिंग फेसेस. रिया, मंजी, सकीना, हार्दिक, ऑल ऑफ यू स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास. ऑल राइट. Now, yesterday we were doing a lesson, We Need Food, where I told you that food is very important for us. And you all told me why it is important for us. You told me, ma'am, food gives us energy, it keeps us healthy, it helps us to grow. Yes, and the different kinds of food also you told what we are supposed to eat. Cereals, any two cereals? Wheat and rice. Any two cereals? Wheat and rice. Children, we are revising what we did yesterday. We need food, page number 9. We need food, page number 9. We are just revising it once again. All right. So, cereals, wheat and rice, pulses, all the dals, all the grams, kidney beans, then vegetables, all of you know. And there are some vegetables which we eat raw. Raw means kacha. For example, tomato, radish, carrot, all this we eat raw as salads. And you know that cooked food is always tastier and healthier. Food that is cooked, जो खाना मम्मी कुक करती हैं वो ज़्यादा टेस्टी होता है. And we are supposed to have a balanced diet. That is, you need to have all the fruits, all the vegetables, dal, rice, everything you need to have. और सब चीज़ right quantity में हमें खाना है. We don't have to only eat junk food. You will not become strong, you will not get energy by eating only junk food. अगर आप मम्मी से बोलते हैं मुझे रोज़ मम्मी चाउमीन चाहिए, मुझे रोज़ नूडल्स चाहिए, मैगी चाहिए, उससे स्ट्रेंथ नहीं मिलती है. स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है हेल्दी फूड से. एंड दैट इज ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स, ऑल द फ्रूट्स, द cereals, the pulses, everything. Right? Now come to page number 10 quickly. Okay, meals in a day. Now, we have three main meals in a day. Yesterday, I had also told you in brief, we have three main meals in a day. Uh, Now, let's see. Rudraksh, Rudraksh Sandal, Rudraksh.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
do you know the name of the meal that we have in the morning? सबसे पहले सुबह सुबह जो हम
Breakfast.
लोग जो करते हैं, what is that?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Very
Breakfast.
good. Yes, that's called breakfast. मॉर्निंग मील सुबह सुबह जो हम लोग करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट. इट इज द फर्स्ट मील ऑफ द डे. वी हैव इट इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड चिल्ड्रन, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. You must never skip your breakfast. Mommy gives you breakfast. Whatever healthy breakfast she gives you, you must have. It's very important. मॉर्निंग में अगर आप प्रॉपर ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे तो पूरा दिन आपके पास एनर्जी रहेगी काम करने की, पढ़ाई करने की, खेलने के लिए. यू विल गेट द स्ट्रेंथ एंड एनर्जी व्हेन यू हैव प्रॉपर ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग. और मॉर्निंग का ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. कभी कभी हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी में मॉर्निंग का ब्रेकफास्ट स्किप कर देते हैं और फिर क्या होता है, दिन में भी हम लोग इतना बिजी रहते हैं कि दिन में भी कभी कभी हमें खाना खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है. फिर शाम को हम लोग चाय पीते हैं, कभी कभी वो भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है. अगर कोई इमरजेंसी आ गई, हम बिजी हो गए, तो हम सिर्फ रात में डिनर करते हैं. तो ऐसे में क्या होगा, पूरा दिन बॉडी को आपने यूज करा, काम किया, बट बॉडी को कुछ एनर्जी तो मिली नहीं, खाना तो आपने दिया नहीं. सो चिल्ड्रन, मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सुबह सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट जरूर करना चाहिए. मम्मी जो भी चीज ब्रेकफास्ट में देती है वो आपको मॉर्निंग में जरूर लेना है. राइट? नाउ लेट्स सी. You can see the picture made over there on page number 10. And there's a very nice heavy breakfast served over there. You have milk, you have tea, you have lot of cakes and buns, biscuits, cookies, eggs. I can see some oats there. Lovely breakfast. Can you see that picture? All of you can see this picture? Yes? All right. Now I'm going to read. I'm reading that box where it says amazing fact. We get our food from plants and animals. Plants give us grains, pulses, vegetables, and fruits. Animals give us milk, eggs, fish, and meat. Now, you all know plants give us vegetables. आपको ये पता है ना, vegetables और fruits हमें plants से मिलते हैं. Then we get all the grains, all the pulses, दाल, जितनी दाल होती है, pulses, grains, rice, ये सब चीज़ें हमें प्लांट से मिलती हैं. And animals give us. Wali, what do the animals give us? Animal से हमें क्या मिलता है? Milk. Very good. Animals give us milk, eggs, fish, and meat. So we eat vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian food. There are many people who are only vegetarian. There are many people who are only non-vegetarians. They like to eat only non-veg. And there are some who eat both. So it's important we must have proper healthy breakfast in the morning. And remember, we get our food from plants and animals. Ria, can you please tell me the two sources of food? Ria, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we get food from plants and animals. Repeat that.
Plants.
We get food
We can food
from
from
plants and animals.
plants and animals.
Okay, thank you. Now, who has joined from Deepti's ID? This is Ishanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ishanvi. Now you repeat. Plants give us
Plants give us
grains,
greens,
pulses,
pulses,
vegetables,
vegetables,
and fruits.
and fruits.
All right, Meher, put your tongue inside and read that line
Thank you,
again.
ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Meher, come on, read that
Yes,
line.
ma'am.
Plants give us
Plants give us
grains,
grains,
pulses,
pulses,
vegetables,
vegetables,
and fruits.
and fruits.
Okay, thank you. Arham, please repeat that line. And all of you, I want to see you reading that line. Your lips should be moving. Give
Plants
us,
and
give
plants
us
give us
grains,
grain,
pulses,
pulses,
vegetables,
vegetables,
and fruits.
and fruit.
Okay, thank you. Nipun,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome. Nipun,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, let's read the next line, Nipun. Animals give us
Animals give us
milk,
milk,
eggs,
eggs,
fish,
fish,
and meat.
and meat.
Okay, thank you. Rishita, come on, repeat that line. Animals give us,
Yes, ma'am.
animals give us
Animals give us
milk,
milk,
eggs.
eggs.
बेटे आपके पास बुक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, पुट योर फिंगर देयर एंड लुक डाउन इन योर बुक. मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए, बुक में देख के पढ़िए. मैम रिपीट कर रही है, मैम के साथ बोलिए. Animals give us
Animals give us
milk,
milk,
eggs,
eggs,
fish,
fish,
and meat.
Any.
Okay. Ronak, you repeat after me. Can you hear me, Ronak? मेरे बाद
Milk.
मेरे बाद दोहराइए. Animals give us
Animals give us
milk,
milk,
eggs,
eggs,
fish,
fish,
and meat.
and meat.
Okay, thank you. So the first meal of the day is breakfast. Now the next meal of the day. Yes, Ali?
Then what is the pin number?
What is a
Pin
page number
number.
10? 10. Got it? Page number 10. All right, now the second meal of the day. Second meal of the day. Who's going to tell me? दिन में जो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? हृदय?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, हृदय. आफ्टरनून में जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डू यू नो?
Lunch.
Lunch. That's right. Very good. So lunch is the second meal of the day. Lunch is the second meal of the day. We take this meal in the afternoon. दोपहर में हम लोग लंच करते हैं जहां पर हम थोड़ा हेवी खाना खाते हैं. दैट इज दाल, राइस, वेजिटेबल्स, चपातीज, सैलड्स. ओके, कंप्लीट फूड वी हैव ड्यूरिंग द लंच. दोपहर में लंच जब करते हैं वो हम लोग कंप्लीट फूड खाते हैं. यू कैन सी द पिक्चर गिवन ओवर देयर. In the picture you have rice, you have paratha over there, you have salads, and you have some vegetables of corn and some other vegetables. You can see the picture. See the picture in your book. Don't look at my face. It is made in the book. Can you see the picture? Rudraksh, look in your book. That's the second meal of the day. And then you have the third meal of the day. Arav, can you tell me what is the name of the third meal of the day?
Ma'am, dinner.
Dinner. Sorry. That's right, dinner. It is the last meal of the day, children. Dinner we have in the night. We take this meal at night. This should be the lightest meal of the day. रात में डिनर हमें लाइट करना चाहिए. बहुत हेवी डिनर हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. Because after that we go to sleep. Now see what's written over there. Amazing fact. The people who eat only grains, pulses, vegetable, etc. are called vegetarians. I just told you, people who eat only vegetables, fruits, pulses, grains, they are called vegetarians. Then people who eat meat, fish, eggs, etc. are called non-vegetarians. जो लोग मीट खाते हैं, फिश खाते हैं, एग्स खाते हैं, उनको हम नॉन वेजिटेरियंस बोलते हैं. और जो लोग सिर्फ वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, पल्सेस, ये सब चीज़ें खाते हैं, उनको हम वेजिटेरियंस बोलते हैं. Besides this, we should also eat nutritious fruits and sweets like. खाना हम लोग सब खाते हैं, लेकिन खाने के बाद कभी कभी हम लोग स्वीट डिश भी खाते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट इज वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. एंड देर आर सम पिक्चर्स गिवन हियर. लेट्स लुक एट द पिक्चर्स.
Chinese खाते हैं. Chinese खाते हैं meat.
यस शुभ.
Ma'am,
शुभ,
Chinese खाते हैं meat.
चाइनीज खाते हैं. आपको रोज चाइनीज नहीं खाना है, आपको हेल्दी फूड खाना है. All right,
Yes,
Shiv.
ma'am.
You have to have healthy food. Now see the pictures given there of the sweet dishes, some of the lovely sweet dishes. The first one. Hardik, can you tell me the name of the first picture? Picture देख के आप नाम बता सकते हैं.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun. Do you like it, Hardik?
Gulab jamun. Gulab jamun.
Okay, do you like to eat gulab jamuns,
Jamun.
Hardik? Sit straight, Hardik. Okay. Sakina, can you tell me the name of the next sweet dish given there? सकीना अपना कैमरा ऑफ मत करिएगा बेटे, कैमरा ऑन करके बैठिए, क्लास में हैं आप. टेल मी द नेम ऑफ द सेकंड स्वीट डिश. दैट इज खीर. सकीना, दैट्स कॉल्ड खीर. सबने खीर खाई है? ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज खीर? ओके. नाउ द
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
ma'am.
वन. हसन, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर?
मैम हलवा.
हलवा. वेरी गुड. और किस चीज का हलवा है वो?
बनाऊंगा मैम.
यस. गाजर खाते हैं आप ना? मम्मी गाजर का हलवा बनाती है ना? तो वो क्या है? गाजर का हलवा. ऑलराइट. और कैमरा अपना ऑन रखिएगा, कैमरा ऑफ मत करिएगा. नाउ द लास्ट पिक्चर. द लास्ट पिक्चर. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स देयर. आस्था, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट्स देयर इन द लास्ट पिक्चर? Switch on your mic. Yes, Astha?
Fruits मैम.
Fruits. Very good. Those are the fruits. These are all the sweet dishes, children. हम लोग खाना खाने के बाद, स्पेशली रात में खाने के बाद ना, कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करता है, तो हम लोग ये सब चीज़ें खाते हैं. Now, fruits are good for health. We eat different kinds of foods for taste and health. Food is very important for our good health. और हमें अच्छा अच्छा टेस्ट चाहिए माउथ में, उसके लिए भी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें खाने का मन करता है. Yes. Now see the word bank, that pink color box. First meal of the day, breakfast. Lunch, meal taken in the afternoon. Dinner, meal taken at night. Now please write over there LEARN, learn, in that box. Inside this box write learn. There, write on your own, child. All of you, LEARN, learn. Take your pencil in your hand. Everyone, take your pencil in your hand.
ब्लॉक किया. मैं फर्स्ट ब्लॉक किया, सेकंड ब्लॉक.
The pink color block. This pink block. Can you see this pink block here? All of you can see this pink block? Inside that, write LEARN, learn. You should know this, children. Now the next block, let's read. Food is one of the basic needs. That is one of our most important needs. Food gives us energy. It makes us strong. It keeps us healthy. We eat 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now turn the page. Page number 12. Page number 12. Let's see how many of you will be able to answer. If you know the answer, raise your hand. If you know the answer, you will raise your hand. Tick the correct option. Radish and carrot can be eaten raw, oblique, cooked as salad. Radish और carrot दोनों चीज़ें जो है, radish and carrot, इसको हम raw means कच्चा खा सकते हैं, as salad या cook करके. तो हम किस पे टिक लगाएंगे? raw पे या cooked पे? raw means कच्चा, cooked means पका हुआ.
मैम कुक्ड. मैम रोज.
Please don't answer like this. I told you to raise your hands.
मैम कुक.
Again, Shubh, you are answering out of turn. Yes, Rudraksh?
बोलो.
Radish and
Raw.
carrot. Raw. That word is raw.
Raw.
Radish and carrot can be eaten raw as
Raw.
salad. Right. You're right, Rudraksh. Thank you. रैडिश एंड कैरेट को चिल्ड्रन हम लोग रॉ मीन्स कच्चा खा सकते हैं सैलेड के तौर पे. मम्मी घर पे सैलेड बनाती है ना, उसमें गाजर डालती है, मूली डालती है, कभी कभी अनियंस, क्यूकम्बर, ये सब चीजें भी डालती है मम्मी सैलेड में. यस और नो? गिव मी अ थम्स अप व्हेन यू हियर मी. सो यहाँ पर जो सेंटेंस है उसमें पूछा जा रहा है आपसे कि क्या आप रैडिश और कैरेट, मूली और गाजर को क्या आप कच्चा खा सकते हैं सैलेड की तरह? सो पुट अ टिक ऑन RAW रॉ. Put a tick on RAW raw. Have you put a tick? Then give me a thumbs up. When you put a tick on raw, give me a thumbs up. Okay, very good. Now moving further, number 2. We have lunch or breakfast in the morning. Morning, we have lunch or we have breakfast. Anya?
मैम
Anya?
मैम तो कहाँ लिखा है?
आस्था, सेंटेंस नंबर 1 में
यस
रेड कर.
मैम.
सेंटेंस नंबर 1 में RAW रॉ
न्यू
लिखा है.
पैकेट. यस मैम.
गॉट इट आस्था?
यस मैम.
Astha, got it? Give me a thumbs up. All right, now mute yourself. Anya, second one.
यस मैम.
Yes, Anya, second answer. We have lunch or breakfast in the morning.
लंच.
मॉर्निंग में
ब्रेकफास्ट.
ब्रेकफास्ट. मॉर्निंग में हम ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. अभी मैंने समझाया ना, सुबह सुबह का सबसे पहला जो खाना हम खाते हैं, नाश्ता करते हैं, उसको हम ब्रेकफास्ट बोलते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, पुट अ टिक ऑन ब्रेकफास्ट ऑल ऑफ यू and give me a thumbs up so that I know you have finished. All right. Ali, the next one, number 3. Ali Altamash, number 3. आन्या, आन्या, आपके घर में कोई क्लास ले रहा है बेटे, माइक अपना ऑफ करिए. Yes, Ali.
यस मैम.
Yes, Ali. Number 3.
लंच.
Lunch or dinner should be the lightest meal of the day. लंच या डिनर कौन सा होना चाहिए जो सबसे लाइट होना चाहिए हमें खाना? अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था? लंच या डिनर? Which meal should be the light? The dinner. Shubh, don't answer out of turn. Ali, पेज नंबर 11. पेज नंबर 11 पे अभी हमने पढ़ा था dinner. It is the last meal of the day. We take this meal at night. This meal should be the lightest meal of the day. क्योंकि रात में खाना खाने के बाद हम सो जाते हैं. So the answer is dinner. Put a tick on dinner, all of you. Next, number 4. Wali, we get, listen to number 4. We get eggs and milk from plants or animals. Eggs और milk हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं वाली? Plants से या animals? Yes, वाली?
एनिमल्स.
Animals. Very good. So children, put a tick on animals. All of you put a tick on animals and give me a thumbs up that I know you finished. Now you write learn on that exercise. Exercise A पर आप लिखेंगे learn. LEARN, learn.
मैम एनिमल कहाँ लिखा है इस कॉपी
आस्था,
में?
आस्था नंबर 4 सेंटेंस को पढ़िए. वी गेट एग्स एंड मिल्क फ्रॉम प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स. दो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए, हमें कहां से मिलता है एग्स एंड मिल्क. द करेक्ट आंसर इज एनिमल्स. पुट अ टिक ऑन एनिमल्स. गॉट इट? All of you finished? Give me a thumbs up. Very good. Now have you written over there learn? All of you have written learn. Give me a thumbs up. Right. Now put your pencils down. Sit back straight. Let's have attendance quickly. Anya Nigam. Anya Nigam.
Yes,
Arav,
ma'am.
Arav Maurya.
Present, ma'am.
Ayat Momina Haidar. Ansh Francis. Aradhya Shivastav. Astha Tripathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayat Fatima Rizvi. Christopher Massey. Hardik Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Hayat Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Inaya Khan. Today Inaya is not here. Ishanvi Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kriday Singh. Kriday.
अनम्यूट करके खोल लिया करो. ओके.
Kriday. Where is Kriday? He was there in the meeting. Okay. Rishita.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Mahira Fazal. Manjeet Verma. Okay. Meher Fatima Naqvi.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Mohammad Arham.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammad Mustafa. Mohammad Hassan.
Present.
Okay. Nipun Giri.
Present, ma'am.
Omash Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Pranjali Singh. Pranjali, you have to answer quickly, child. Ronik Rastogi.
Lines.
Ronik. Ria. Rudraksh.
Present, ma'am.
Sakina.
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Shubh Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Syed Muhammad Ali Altamash.
Present, ma'am.
Syed Muhammad Wali.
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Vihan Tiwari. Vijwal Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to be quick, children. Now with that we finish with your class. Yes, Kriday. Yes, Kriday.
चला गया था.
Okay, no problem. I marked you present, Kriday. All right. You were there in the meeting, no? So no problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So now, children, you can take your break. We'll meet again for your maths period. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.